Get ready to be amazed because this wait not swipe away just is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it sells out everywhere. Get ready to be amazed because this wait not swipe away just is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet.